Australia is renowned for its unique and colourful slang, reflecting the nation's laid-back and egalitarian culture. Common Australian slang terms often shorten standard English words, creating an informal, friendly, and sometimes humorous tone. For instance, arvo is a popular abbreviation for afternoon, while brekkie means breakfast. Australians also use thongs to refer to flip-flops, and bikkie for biscuit. These colloquial terms not only simplify communication, but also create a sense of camaraderie among speakers. The widespread use of such slang fosters an inclusive national identity, breaking down social barriers and promoting a sense of belonging. In addition to specific words, Australian English is peppered with idiomatic expressions that embody the country's easygoing and pragmatic attitude. Phrases like "g'day, good day," and "no worries, no problem," are emblematic of the national ethos, encapsulating a welcoming and untroubled demeanour. Another quintessentially Australian expression is fair dinkum, which means genuine or true, often used to assert the sincerity of a statement. These expressions serve as linguistic markers of Australian identity, reflecting values such as authenticity, straightforwardness, and a relaxed approach to life. They are integral to everyday conversations, reinforcing cultural norms and social cohesion. Understanding Australian slang and expressions provides valuable insights into the national character and social dynamics of the country. The pervasive use of informal language highlights Australia's egalitarian principles, where friendliness and approachability are highly prized. This linguistic style encourages social interaction and eases communication across diverse groups, contributing to a cohesive and inclusive society. Moreover, these unique elements of Australian English offer a window into the cultural psyche, revealing a community that values simplicity, humour, and genuine human connection. For learners of the Australian accent, mastering these slangs and expressions is not only a linguistic exercise, but also an immersion into the vibrant cultural landscape of Australia.